Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe. This motivates me to make new videos regularly. And if you are subscribed, you know this is my third Johnny Lightning, and this is from their classic gold collection. So I have two of this of classic gold collection. Mostly, I collect some muscle cars from John Lightning because they make absolutely fantastic, detailed muscle cars that you can find in diecast community. And if you see over here, they have 2023 release. This is the second release version B. So I'll make a detailed video on this, like how this things works in Johnny Lightning. These are different as we collect in Hot Wheels, right? But this is not like that, so it is different. And if you see, there is some information given over here. The classic gold has been a staple of John Lightning diecast for over 2 decades. It shows popular vehicles from all over the world, classic imports, mild customs to heavy American iron. We cover the gamut of your favorite rides. So they have this all this we have the first one, 1961 Chevy Impala SS409, and yeah, we will look at that now. Okay, so at the front you get this Johnny Lightning logo over there. Then there are some card art. You can see the logos and all. The card art is very beautiful. It's written Ford over here, and then it's written diecast metal body and chassis both. They have metal. Then the authentic factory colors opening hood. I'm not going to open this, but I have seen in the shop, right? The opening hood is absolutely detailed, and the detail that given inside the hood is absolutely phenomenal. It's very good, but I don't have the pictures. If I get those pictures, I'll add it in this. But it's very beautiful, and you can see it's written limited edition, one of 3172. So that's a very cool thing about this piece, that they make in limited edition, but they make a very uh, detailed cars. Okay guys, and yeah, we'll see some more information. Here you can see long-term collectors will recognize this casting. It was originally used for the ERTL 1 is to 64 American muscle cars line of diecast back around 2001. If you're collecting from long time, you will know this ERTL, right? So they have made this Chevy Impala. So what they did is, not to let a great casting go waste, it was retooled, given a new diecast chassis, and converted to a Johnny Lightning in 2008. And absolutely good the ERTL was, and actually it was same like this only. There is a use like minor difference. That's all. And if you see, this is a version B, and they have the authentic factory color actually. If you see here what's written, it's Arbor Green Poly. So this is the hex code also is given over there, so you can see that it's very good that they use actual colors. So we'll talk about the car now. Enough of the detail of the cars. It's very good. The first time I saw this in the shop, I fall in love with this car because it's so good. The color is so bright and attractive. Just got fall in love with this. You can see it's written Impala over there. Let me zoom in a little bit for you guys. Yeah, it's written SS Impala. See the stripes, see the stripes how they goes. And the tires, how beautiful they are rubber tires, right? Okay, and the handle, the knob, there are some dirt over here. Just clean it so you guys can see better. Yeah, the interior, look at the interior. Actually, if you see this car, right, this is huge car in real life. And you can see it's a left hand drive. The back is also very good. Tail lights are like some acrylic color over there. 61, you see, it's written 60, and then there's a 1 over there. Minor details. This is a 1961 Chevy Impala SS409. Very good. Basis of metal only. There are some details. There are some details over there, and I'm not able to show you guys because it's like blurred a little bit over there. But yeah, awesome engine detail, like the chassis detailing. Sorry, awesome. The front is chromed out, but the headlight are acrylic only. There are some white color over there if you're able to see. Then the logo and the 61 over there. I'm just falling in love with that number plate, guys. Look at that chrome finish. You can see the hood is openable over there. Hood is openable. I'm not able to show you now, that I'm regretting, but if I get another piece of this, for sure I'll open it. And if you see from the back also, right, you'll think like this will open, right? But the cut is there, but it's not openable. You can see the cut is very clear, but it won't open actually. Yeah, look at that glass, the green tint over there on the glass. Oh my god, looks too good. Favorite muscle car, guys. And if you love this, tell me in comments how do you feel about this car, and we'll have some chit chat over there. Final look I'm giving to you guys, and we will close this video actually. And yeah, that's it. We'll meet in next video. Until then, stay subscribed, keep sharing, keep liking, and bye bye.